So this is the 18 volt 25 to 30 centimeter line trimmer, model OLT 1832. This is a Skinner only. The battery you have to purchase separately. So as you can see, the box says it comes with a 6-year replacement warranty. In actual fact, when you open the packaging, you will find that it comes with only 4 years warranty. With an additional 2 years extended warranty, you would have to use the online registration process to get the extra 2 years. So just be mindful of that. Here I'm going to take the content out of the box for this trimmer. So as you can see, the box comes with the 2 different set of paperwork. One is regards to the extended warranty. You need to apply it online. The second paperwork is about the instructions on how to put this trimmer together. Here is the safety guard that is going to be attached to the trimmer head. Remove the tape around the cutoff blade. Here is the handle that will be secured on the shaft using the handle adjustment knob. And the final piece out of the box is the entire body of the trimmer. Attach the back part of the safety guard to the trimmer head until the latch clicks into place. Same way, install the battery pack until the latches click into place. Now I'm going to secure the safety guard to the trimmer head using the screw that came out of the box and the screwdriver. Now let's put this trimmer to the test. Here I'm going to be showing you different head settings of this trimmer to edge my lawn. So yeah, this is a pretty good trimmer in my point of view in comparison to the last one I had. Only problem is it's a bit heavy, so that's the only problem I've got. this, and you can have a longer trimmer. Also easy to put in the boot of the car as well. If you need to make it shorter, like this, clips over here. Also, if you want to rotate and turn this around, this button you push, and this can turn. And now you've got this position. You press the button, and you can use it that way. Obviously, low battery I've got. But anyway, this is pretty much it, guys. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.